Okay, today we're going to prepare an avocado, so fairly simple. To check that the avocado is ripe and ready, just give it a little squeeze. It should be a bit sort of soft, not too hard. And also this bit at the top, this little thing, should just pick off quite easily, and then that will show you that the avocado is ripe. And to do this, just take the knife and just go into the avocado, then go onto the side and spin it around. So you've got all the way around. Then you should just pull apart. So you've got your avocado there. This one's a little bit overripe, but that doesn't matter really. To get the stone out, just use your knife again. Just sort of hit the stone, and then it will come out. So to take the avocado out of the skin, the easiest way, if you're going to dice it, is just to cut it again, straight through the skin, and then peel it back the skin, or cut round and just peel it off. So you can see this one is a bit overripe, but that's fine. So, and again, this side, just pull it off. The other way, let me just wash my hands. If you want it all as a half, just take a spoon underneath, just between the flesh and the skin, just scrape it round, and it'll come out there, and lovely. So not too much left in there. Then you've got half an avocado to use. Again, you use that, cut it, slice it, dice it, however you want to do it. Okay, I hope that helps. Thank you very much.